Okay. So here you are ready to learn the new chapter, right? We are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
start the new chapter. Okay. Chapter 5. That is fruits and seeds, right?
Fruits and seeds.
Fruits and
Yes.
seeds. So
Fruits
here,
and seeds.
okay, here I
Ma'am,
have
when is our Onam celebration, ma'am?
that all we can discuss after the class. Okay, so just let me.
Ma'am, when is our Onam celebration?
Okay, that I will tell. That is 27th of this month. Okay.
27th?
12:30 to 1 o'clock. We can discuss after this class. Okay. Let
Okay,
me
ma'am.
take.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see this all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What is this?
What is this? Check it. How it is?
It-
You. Yeah.
It's
Can you
a
see
plant
anything?
dried up. It's a plant
Okay.
dried up.
Okay. Plant. Okay. Which plant it is? Which plant?
Money plants? Money plants.
No, green chili. Green chili.
See, when you are seeing something, you just see it properly. Okay.
Observe it.
Observe it, observe it. So, which type of plant part is this one? Chili,
Green
right?
chili.
Chili.
Here you can see. So, I took it for showing you. Okay, this one. These are the flowers of a pumpkin.
Yes, ma'am.
Pumpkin.
Flowers. Okay, I don't know
Pumpkin, okay.
how far you can view this. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. We can
Yes,
see this.
yes. Okay. So these are pumpkin flowers. This pumpkin comes out of like this flowers. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
by saying these all leafy plants and flowers and all, you understood about the topic, right?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
okay? What is about the topic? What is about this lesson?
About plants.
About
the
plants, especially fruits and seeds. It is especially about fruits and see here I am showing this particular thing. Can you see it here under the chili?
Yes,
What, ma'am?
ma'am.
Yeah,
What?
what is that
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
One green. One green.
Leaf.
One flower, right?
Flower. Oh, there, one flower.
Yeah, is it a
You
flower?
can't see that, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am,
Can't
I
see.
can't see properly.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, this is light chili only. Light.
Okay, okay. So these all seeds comes out of this type of flowers. That is what I want to show you. See,
Okay, ma'am.
this is the flower of the chili
Okay,
plant.
ma'am.
This
Okay,
is the
Now we can
flower
see.
of the chili plant. See, have you seen it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
too
ma'am.
small.
from this, yeah, very small. From this flower, this chili comes out of it, right?
Ma'am, can you keep some more down?
Some more?
Down.
Down, down.
Down.
Now it's
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Now it's
Okay,
okay.
see, I can't, if I am, can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
It is so small, right? This flower
Yes,
is
ma'am.
so small. From this so small flower, this green chili forms produced from it. And here you can see a big flower, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. The baby of this flower. See, that way all are telling.
This one, okay, this is the baby flower. Baby flower, when it blooms, it will turn into like this and it will come out like a big flower, okay. See, like this flower, the pumpkin comes produced. Okay, so from this, almost all the plants produces flowers. From almost all the plants, plants produces flowers. Out of these flowers, fruits are produced, right? By the action of the insects,
Good
by the
afternoon,
action
ma'am.
of the
Apple tree and all.
yes. Yeah, every what all it is, which all fruit,
Fashion fruit. That will.
passion fruit. Yeah, you
Yeah,
can
one
see.
flower will come and.
First mango. How it is producing mango? During that
From
season,
the flowers.
white color flowers will be there on the mango tree. See, in between, if rain or some heavy rain or something is there, your parents will tell, right? Grandparents. So, because of this rain, the old mango flowers will fall down. This year, we won't get much more mangoes. Have you heard about it?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am. I heard about it.
okay, you heard about. Okay, so when we are seeing, when today also, when I checked in my courtyard, I saw. Yes, Ananthan Raj. What is your doubt? Yes. Do you want
Ma'am, I tell good afternoon. Nodi.
Okay, it's okay. So here, lady's finger, brinjal, passion fruit. See what all it is from the chilies. What all fruits are producing from these all are come out of that
Flowers.
plant's flower. Okay. So here I want to show you a picture.
Chilies are from plant.
Chili is a plant. Why you are saying that? Huh?
Chili is a plant.
Yeah.
Chili is not plant. Chili is a fruit.
Plant only.
Chili grow
Okay.
from
Say,
plant
Sri
and is
Shankar.
it pomegranate?
Sri Shankar, mute your audio. Everybody mute it fast. Otherwise, we won't get time for this one, for discussing about our Onam.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
see here, you can see the pomegranate fruit and the pomegranate flower also,
This is
right?
babloos, Aline. Babloos, that fruit.
No. It is not that one. Okay. So this one here, each plant produces the flower. So I hope everybody viewed it. Is it visible for everyone? Prinova?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So let me stop it. Okay. Here, if you miss to see the chili flower.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Okay. Who is having the doubt?
Angelina.
Angelina Rose. Yes. Ask me. What is
What
your
is the plant's name? I don't know.
which is the?
That day I did not hear the honors. My connectivity.
1 minute. Say without my permission, don't unmute. See here now Angelina Rose is asking some doubt. In between, who is asking about Onam celebration? I told it.
Ma'am, my connectivity gone now. That's
Okay, Anandan Raj. Angelina. Yes, Angelina.
the plant is called plum or like that name.
Which one?
Now you shown.
That is pomegranate, madala, pomegranate, madala, right? So
Okay.
that fruit also comes out of that plant's flower, right? So most of these flowers develop into fruits.
Yes.
If you
Okay, ma'am.
if you are seeing that, you can understand, right?
Okay, ma'am.
These all fruits contain seeds in it. Am I right?
Yes.
In the
Yes, ma'am.
In the chili also, if you can see some seeds inside. And
Yes,
here I
ma'am.
brought some. See, here I brought some jackfruit seeds. You can see it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
We will eat
So
it.
Jackfruit?
jackfruit seed.
Jackfruit seed.
It is a
Okay,
jackfruit seed.
ma'am.
Okay. So
Inside that fruit.
okay. So these all are the seeds that come
We
out
will
of
take that seed to make curry and all that.
Sri Shankar, yes, that is also edible. Sri Shankar, if you want to ask anything, you have to get the permission out of it. Okay, whenever you want, you can't see it. Okay, because that all will miss the time of the others. Please. So here you can see some fruits have one seed. Some of them have many seeds. Am I right? So
Yes, ma'am.
so those have one seed. Though some
Okay, ma'am.
have only one seed. Okay. So Sri Shankar, tell me. Prinova, it is not the time to sing. Mute your audio.
You told me. Ma'am,
Sri
you told me.
Shankar. Sri Shankar, tell me example for fruits having only one seed.
Ma'am, mango.
Mango is there. Is there any other one? Only
Yes,
mango.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me then. Yes, mango. All others can think about it. I will ask. I can ask to anybody. Okay, Sri Shankar, any other example? Siana. Yes, Siana. Sri Shankar, mute your audio. Siana. Yeah. Tell me. Loudly. I can't hear your voice. I can't hear your voice. Okay. Prinova, why you are unmuting and singing? So for the Onam celebration, I will keep one of your song. Okay? Huh? Here in the classroom, you are singing.
Sorry, ma'am.
Not sorry. Here, who knows example for fruits that contain only one seed? Angelina Martin, Angelina Martin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, because of the internet connection, I became stuck and went
No
out.
problem. If you have any internet connection, no need to
Ma'am.
tell me. Okay.
Ma'am.
Mute your audio, Amin.
Ma'am, can
Yes, Amin.
Ma'am, avocado.
can I say,
Avocado.
ma'am?
Okay. Avocado. Then
Ma'am,
another
can I
one,
say?
Avocado and mango.
mango. Okay. Prinova.
Apple.
Apple have only one seed. Okay.
Ma'am,
I don't know about
I have
Shreya. Shreya.
gooseberry.
Okay. Berries.
Cashew nut.
Gooseberry.
Okay.
Ma'am,
cashew nut.
grapes. Ma'am, grapes.
Grapes. Very good.
Ma'am,
Grapes.
pineapple.
Okay. I got
Ma'am,
enough.
can I tell?
I got enough. Let me see. Let me give one chance to
Cashew nut.
Krishna. Krishna, give me one example. You are ready to give the example, right? So tell me.
Inside the seeds, example.
Only one seed. Fruits which contain only one seed.
Apple.
Advika.
Apple also.
No. Advika.
Ma'am, papaya. Bhutan.
No. See here. Everybody, mute your audio. Fast, Siana. Mute your audio. Okay. Here, some of you had told about some fruits such as coconut, mango, grapes, dates, cherries, avocado, yeah, apricots, plums,
Cashew nut.
cashew. These all have only one seed. But some fruits have many seeds. I will ask those only to answer it. You have to give time for you to think first. Okay. So whenever we are discussing, Prayag, where are you? You are in search of seeds? Prayag? No idea. So when I am asking a question or when I am discussing something, all on a sudden, don't unmute and tell. Okay. I will select some students to answer. If they are not answering, you can raise your hand. Okay. So here, my second question is fruits that have many seeds. Pita, where you are going? Prayag, sit there. Fruits which have many seeds. Prayag, tell me the answer. Prayag, tell me the answer. Unmute it, Prayag. Unmute it fast. Unmute it. Don't know to unmute. Yes. Tell me. Yes. Fruits that have many seeds. Fast.
Ma'am.
No. Don't unmute. Vaikari.
Ma'am, papaya.
Papaya. Any more example, Vaikari? Anyone?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. So the jackfruit contains many seeds in that whole jackfruit. Okay. So Rena.
Ma'am, guava.
Okay, go. Then 1
Apple.
minute. Let me see. Okay, apple. But
Pomegranate.
pomegranate.
Passion fruit.
No.
Passion fruit.
See, those are without my permission if they are answering. How many times I told you can't hear it? Muhammad Afam, can you answer my question? Afam, any fruit that contain many seeds? One fruit which contain many seeds in it. You don't know. Okay, so mute your audio and Angelina Rose, tell it.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay, okay. So
Ma'am.
these are. So I got some examples. I got. Okay, enough. Muhammad Afam, mute your audio. Here we can see papaya, watermelon, apple, jackfruit, pomegranate, orange. These are
Kiwi.
some of the examples of
Kiwi.
fruits which contain many seeds.
Yes, ma'am.
Fida, yours only is unmuted. Everybody is muting and keeping quiet. Okay. So here and now, some fruits are there, though don't have any seeds in them. Fruits without seeds. Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Fruits without seeds. Fruits that without seeds. That is actually, it is not actually that fruits because means after some experiments.
Ma'am, can I say fruits without seed?
Okay, okay, let me explain. Some fruits,
Okay, ma'am.
after doing some experiments, scientists have developed this type of fruits which do not have any seeds. Okay, from the nature we won't get that one. The scientists, after doing so many research and experiments, they developed it. Pranav, mute your audio and switch on the video. So those only don't have the seeds in it. So who can say the answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Angelina Martin. Don't unmute. Angelina, you can tell. Some are unmuting and raising their hand.
Okay.
No need of
Grapes
no.
without seeds.
Yeah.
Grapes without seeds.
Grapes, some grapes are there. Then Prinova, what do you know about that?
Ma'am, banana.
Banana, some inside some seeds are there, right? But actually we are not using that seed for getting baby plant, but seeds are there. Vaiga, Prinova,
Ma'am, some papayas.
yeah, that is why from the nature itself we will get the fruit which all contain seed. But due to some experiments and researchers, these scientists have developed so many fruits. Papayas without seeds are there. Grapes without seeds are there. Orange, some orange if we eat, we won't get any seed from that, right? So watermelon also. Watermelon also.
Oranges.
Yeah, orange. So watermelon also. Some watermelon don't have these seeds. So that is all not by nature. But it is all developed ones.
Ma'am, strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry, so many seeds are there, multiple seeds are there. Okay.
Okay.
So, some fruits have seeds outside them. Some seeds have seeds outside.
Ma'am, can I say?
Angelina, relics. Yes, I haven't given any chance to Angelina. Yes, Angelina, relics.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. You can see the seeds are outer part of that strawberry. Angelina, relics. Any other example? Is there any other example? No. Okay, mute your audio. Royce is raising hand. Very good. Royce, tell me. Unmute and tell me. Royce. Fast.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Royce. Yes. Yes, tell me. Yeah, okay. Don't touch it one time only to touch that. No. Yes, do it fast. Okay, I will come back to you.
Ma'am, dragon fruit.
Can I tell?
Dragon fruit. Then one.
Ma'am, can I tell?
I don't know the name. Fida.
Fida,
Okay,
ma'am.
Fida. Okay, Fida. Tell me.
Pineapple, ma'am.
Pineapple. Then pineapple. The outer side, is that it is seed? No. It is not the seed. Okay. So any other example? Shreya.
Ma'am,
I'm singing.
You are thinking. Okay, so I will tell this the cashew nuts. Okay, cashews are over the fruit. Likewise, strawberries. You can see the seeds are outer part of that strawberry. So, like fruits, like from mute your audio and sit properly on a place. Like fruits, seeds also vary in shape, size and color. Most of the fruits are, 1 minute, most of the fruits are fleshy, tasty and nutritious. That is why we are eating the fruits, right? It contains so many nutrients, vitamins, minerals, these all things are there. So animals, birds and humans use them as food. Why animals, humans and birds use fruits as food? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't tell the answer.
Can you repeat the question once more?
Yeah, surely. See, animals, birds and humans use fruits as food. Use fruits as food. Why they are using it as a food? Shiva Gayatri.
I don't know, ma'am.
Shiva Gayatri. Yeah, tell me.
I don't know, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So who knows about it? Raise your hand.
And what is the question?
Okay, question is why animals, birds and humans use fruits as their food? Why they use fruits? Prayag, tell me Prayag. Yes, tell me loudly, I can't hear it. Loudly, fast.
Because
No, I can't hear. Please check it. Okay, here Angelina, Rose, tell me.
ma'am, sometimes they won't have some food, so they reach us.
Okay, that is what I told. Amin.
Ma'am, they want to live with foods.
Okay, so most of the fruits are fleshy. Mango, apple, these all are fleshy things, right? Fleshy one. Watermelon, these all are fleshy.
So much vitamins also.
And tasty. See, that is all very nicely. So, because the fruits are fleshy, tasty and nutritious, it contains all the vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C is rich in orange. Vitamin C is rich in berries, so different types of berries. So, these all things are there in the fruits. They are fleshy, they are tasty and nutritious. That is why human beings, birds, animals, all are using it as food.
Ma'am, and also to eat fastly.
Oh, eat fasting during fasting time. Okay.
Not that, ma'am. It will be very easy to eat also.
Okay, it can digest fast. Am I right? It can digest fast. So, because of these all things, we are also using the fruits as a food. So, shall I ask question? Why we use? If you know the answer, those students only to raise your hand. Okay. Why we use fruits as food? Not only we, birds, animals and human beings. Why we are using fruits as a food? Who can say the answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What is the reason that we are using? We birds or animals are using fruits as a food. I can see very few hands. Why? Anandan Raj?
Yes,
Yes, tell me.
because fruits have seed, then we can grow more.
Okay, mute your audio. Ronita, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
No. Then who? Vaiga. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Vaiga.
it is tasty, fleshy, and nutrient rich.
Nutrient rich or nutritious. It is fleshy. It is fleshy, tasty, and nutrient rich. That is why we can use it as food. Anandan Raj, can you tell me that answer?
Fruits have nutrients.
It all contains
Vitamins.
nutrients. Nutrients, okay. Vitamins included in the nutrients, okay. Nutrients. Then,
Vitamin.
okay, vitamin means that they are nutritious, nutrient rich. Then, why are you eating mango?
Because it is fleshy and tasty.
So, why we are using fruit as food? Because the fruits are fleshy, tasty, and nutrient rich.
Vitamins rich.
Nutrient rich. Nutrients, vitamins, everything is included in the nutrient. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Prinova, any doubt?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so in the next class we can learn about the seeds. We can learn some more about the seeds. Okay.